We have an official City Council resolution. Be it hereby known to all that the City Council of New Bedford, Massachusetts hereby offers its sincerest congratulations in the memory of Captain Jack Peterson in recognition of his dedicated volunteer service to the annual Pet Fest event and his love of all animals, especially dogs. The entire citizenry extends its very best wishes on this memorable occasion and expresses the hope for continued good fortune. It's given the 17th day of May in the year 2015. It's signed by the Ward Councilor, Kerry Winterson, who unfortunately couldn't be with us today, my colleague on the council, Steve Martins, myself, Linda Morad, and given with the thanks, love, and sincere congratulations of the entire New Bedford City Council. Lynn, God bless Jack's memory. God bless you, young lady.
I'm just going to take 1 second. He would say, it's not about me, it's about the animals. And he was right. He loved them. And he came into pethood kind of late. He didn't get introduced until he met me, but I was a package deal. I came with pets. But he was very understanding, and I was the neighborhood pet setter, and he never knew when he came home who would be in our living room. Could be anybody. You know, oh yeah, okay, he can stay. I thank the City Council. I thank my friends at the Coalition. I thank my buddy Phil. I thank, where's David? David Antunes, my buddy, and you guys are terrific. Thank you. Have a wonderful walk. Have a wonderful Pet Fest. And as Jack would say, don't forget your poop bags and pick up after your dogs. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Do I have to turn this over to you? Because I can keep this. Just like he is. Oh, no.
This is a normal and natural extension. Once again, a nice round of applause for First Mate Linnie Peterson, ladies and gentlemen. Linnie Peterson. And I know it's tough to do in an environment like this, but in our hearts, we can hear Jack's beautiful voice speaking to all of us right now. And in his memory, we hope that you have a blessed event today.